In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Google Business profile. Starting your journey into the world of Google Business is a great step toward amplifying your online presence and connecting with potential customers. So, let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to kick things off by heading over to google.com/business. Here, you are entering the gateway to managing how your business appears on Google Search and Maps. This is an important process to make your enterprise more accessible about what you offer, right at the time when potential customers are searching for products and services like yours. Next, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. Now, if you don't already have a Google account, don't worry, it's easy to set one up. Simply follow the prompts to create an account, keeping in mind that this account will be the hub of your business's online operations on Google. So pick an email that's associated with your business for a professional touch. Once you've successfully logged in or created your account, you'll be guided to the step of entering your business name. It's crucial here to input your business name accurately, as this is how it will be presented to the users on Google. If your business name includes unique spelling or additional identifiers, ensure they are correct to maintain consistency across your brand's online presence. Afterwards, hit Next or Manage Now. Clicking this will lead you further into the setup, but this step signifies a pivotal launch point. This is not only about inputting your business details, it's about starting your journey of engaging with your audience in a centralized platform that will help drive traffic and interest. By following these simple initial steps, you've started setting the groundwork to optimize how potential customers find and interact with your business online. Remember, having a complete and accurate business profile is invaluable. It can showcase your hours, locations, and even customer reviews, all of which play a crucial role in making informed decisions when customers are choosing services or products. In these sessions, be sure to take your time setting things up to reflect the most accurate and current details about your business. Consider it not just as a task, but as an investment into your brand's visibility and reliability. Congratulations on taking this step towards enhancing your business's digital footprint. In the following videos, we'll delve deeper into customizing your profile and maximizing the tools Google Business offers. Stay tuned, and until next time, keep building and thriving.